I was thinking that in what language I should talk, whether Hindi or English. As majority of the delegates understand Hindi, but there are few who need definitely English, and so finally I decided that I will speak in English. The conference, which has started with this moment with very good message from two dignitaries, the Honorable Minister of Agriculture of Gujarat, who has narrated what Gujarat has done and how far it has progressed in the sustainable agriculture and mitigating the global warming. He narrated several efforts. I think some of them might have missed our ears, but we have decided to circulate the copy of the lecture to all the delegates sometime during the afternoon, which will give you the full account of how Gujarat government is dealing with this subject. This is a very unique conference in the sense that the theme, global warming, is not new. It is being now discussed every day by some conference or some group gathering. But the new is this, that it is being linked not only with agriculture, but from agriculture to sustainable development to public leadership. And if we can combine this four concepts and can construct some programs, some actions for ourselves and for others, or society at large or government, I think this conference will make a big difference in the debate on the subject. We are very thankful to all of you who have taken interest in this subject and have joined our effort with enthusiasm and interest. As we all know that the Honorable Minister, Forest and Environment of Government of India, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, was to come, and he accepted our invitation before 6 months very willingly and very happily. And the reason was that he liked the idea of linking these four different concepts which are being discussed separately at different platforms. But unfortunately he couldn't come. Anyway, we express our thanks in this audience to him also for taking keen interest in this conference and always motivating us to make it a big success. I also thank the Honorable Minister of Gujarat, Mr. Dilip Sanghani ji, for coming here in spite of budget session is on and sparing few time with us and giving the full account of Gujarat state's effort in this direction. My special thanks are due to our Kulpati ji, Narayan Bhai. Actually, I was very keen for him to come from the very beginning, and he was all along saying that this is not my subject. And we were telling him, I think Sudarshan Bhai joined me, that for you every subject is yours because you think everything at the philosophical level. And we wanted to begin this conference with some ideology, some philosophical hints, postulates with us in our mind. And there could not be any better person than Narayan Bhai to pinch us and to awaken us to the basic roots of our thinking. I am thankful to him for finally accepting our invitation, and only yesterday he said yes for coming here, and I am really very happy and very thankful to him. I am thankful to Mr. S.K. Nanda, the Secretary Gujarat Government, who has helped us in various capacities to organize this conference, and he has always been behind the curtains, but his help has been very encouraging. I express my thanks to all the sponsors whose names are put on that banner and whose name have already been taken, so I am not taking them again. Nevertheless, I do thank them equally, and without their contribution, perhaps the conference may not have seen this day, and we all could not have been gathered here. I express our sincere thanks to both our partners, Gujarat Vidyapeeth and Forest Department of Government of Gujarat. Gujarat Vidyapeeth, on whose soil we are here, and they have facilitated the entire conference, not only facilitated, but as earlier said, that both the Vice Chancellor and Registrar and all the staff of Gujarat Vidyapeeth has taken such a keen interest in this conference and deciding the program, subjects, and at every stage. So I express my sincere thanks to them. I also express my special thanks to Alliance France, who are here, and they have supported our exhibition. And I request all of you to see that exhibition. Some of the things are very, very candidly said in the exhibition, and they have been a great support to this. We are also thankful to the Science City for putting one stall in the conference and supporting the exhibition. In all, this is an effort of so many people, and it's not only the organizing institutions who could have made this conference successful. It is the effort of each and every one of us. But this is just a beginning, and we have to work much, much, much more harder during these 3 days, on which we should not end up with nothing in our hand. Each one of us have something to say to society, that we have not just burned the lights and fan, and we have not increased the global warming, but we have added something positive to the society, to the community, and to the person at the end. With this, I congratulate all of you for coming here, and also I thank you all.